Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So today I am doing like a makeup tutorial using all these makeup products. These are like my unused makeup products. जब मैं travel कर रही थी तभी मैंने बहुत सारा makeup खरीदा था, तो और भी कुछ makeup है जो मैं आपको अभी एक सोच रही कि वीडियो बनाऊंगी जहाँ पे I'll share all those products. लेकिन अभी मैंने कुछ products अपने पास रखे हैं. These are unused. एंड कुछ मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स लास्ट इंस्टाग्राम सेलर से भी ख़रीदे थे. हुडा ब्यूटी के प्रोडक्ट्स ख़रीदे थे, तो उसमें से आज मैं ये हुडा ब्यूटी का इजी बेक पाउडर यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. एंड वो इंस्टाग्राम पेज का नाम है BeautyNation07 और मुझे उनकी सर्विस बहुत अच्छी लगती है. सो होपफुली आई ट्राई कि मैं आज ही वो एक लाइक हॉल वीडियो इसके बाद कर सकूँ, but let's see how it goes. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into the tutorial. So today I'm going to start with my skin, and first I'm going to prime my skin. So I have two primers. This one is दोनों Urban Decay के ये. This one is their quick fix Hydra Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray, and this one is their all nighter face primer. I'm confused मैं कौन सा प्राइमर अप्लाई करूँ. I'm thinking मैं दोनों ही प्राइमर अप्लाई करती हूँ, कोई रूल्स तो है नहीं. So first I'm going to go in with this one. This is their Hydra Touched. Why am I saying Hydra Touched? Oh, because of NYX powder. Yeah, because उसका नाम है Hydra Touch Powder Foundation, and I keep using that powder a lot. So yeah, this is Hydra Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray. So this is how it looks. This is the bottle. I like this bottle a lot. Okay. अच्छा scent है. I'm so excited and thrilled to use all these makeup products. Imagine एक कब से like almost मैं आई थी इंडिया मार्च में, तब से ही प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ किए लेकिन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने अब तक यूज़ नहीं किए. आई थिंक ये वीडियो का इंतज़ार था. इट हैज़ दिस एक कूलिंग इफेक्ट है. या एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो इन विद देयर फेस प्राइमर लॉन्गवेयर फाउंडेशन ग्रिप. I love the packaging of this one. Look at the packaging. So when I was in the store, I had swatched a little bit on the back of my hand and I really loved the texture, and that's why I bought this primer. I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this product. I don't know why. ओके तो एक अच्छा टैकी बेस बन चुका है प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए. सो आई एम प्रिटी श्योर माई फाउंडेशन और माई अदर प्रोडक्ट्स दे आर गोइंग टू स्टिक रियली वेल टू माई स्किन. एक है हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने का मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे ही हो. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई माई Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector. ओके, दिस वन इज़ इन द शेड opal. ओके, मैक का स्ट्रोब क्रीम जो है इट इज़ रियली नाइस. ओके, बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट दैट मोर ग्लो प्लीज़ ट्राई दिस वन. बहुत साल पहले मैंने इसका एक सेट लिया था ओपल में ही. एक मिनी इसका ये था स्किन परफेक्टर और उसका ओपल का पाउडर हाइलाइटर था, एंड आई फेल इन लव विद दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट सो मच. जस्ट दिस मच. And I'm going to apply it with my stippling brush. You can also mix this with your foundation. Look at this, like just look at it. So now let's apply foundation, and for my foundation I am going to use my Anastasia foundation. This is their luminous foundation. This is the outer packaging, and this one is in the shade 332C, and this is how it looks. So it comes in a glass bottle. So अभी के लिए मैंने 3 pumps लिए हैं. So I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender. Really good coverage. Wow. And it feels light on skin. I think it's a little dark for me, just a smidge. I feel this foundation is dark for me for some reason. The shade is dark. Yeah. But it's okay, I can always use like a light concealer to balance out. Okay, so abhi concealer apply karte hain, and I'm going to apply this one. It's Naked Urban Decay ka Naked Skin Concealer. This one is in the shade Neutral, Medium Neutral. It says Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and it looks like this. Very good coverage. Wow. It blended so beautifully and good coverage. So I'm now going to set my entire face with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this one is in the shade Blondie. This is how it looks. It's not a fragrance free product, guys, so if you're allergic to fragrance you might not want to try this powder. Let's see, taking some. Okay, so on the packaging she's written that let powder bake for 3 to 5 minutes while applying the rest of your makeup. I don't really want to do like baking, so I'm just going to now blend this powder. It has instantly mattified my foundation, which is a good thing. मेरे जो pores है काफी smooth लग रहे हैं. Looks nice. I need to thread my eyebrows and my mustache. So now for my bronzer, blush and highlighter, I'm going to use this palette. This is Urban Decay's Stay Naked Threesome up to 14-hour wear bronzer, highlighter, blush. Yeah, it is such a beautiful palette. Look at the packaging, like, oh! So this is the bronzer, highlighter and blusher. So first I'm going to apply the bronzer. I totally forgot that I have to apply the bronzer first and then blusher. So yeah. Already मैंने थोड़ा सा blush apply कर दिया है, पर कोई बात नहीं. And now I'm going to apply blusher. It's so pigmented, I have to be really careful. This bronzer has a lot of kickback. So now I'm going to fill in my brows with my Benefits Brow Pencil. So I have this pack with me. So in this pack you get these two pencils. So This one is their Goof Proof Brow Pencil. You know that I love Benefit's brow pencil and even Anastasia's brow pencil. And this one is their Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I'm going to use this one today, Precisely My Brow Pencil. I think now foundation काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Alright, so now let's move on to eye makeup, and today I'm going to use my Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. So it looks like this. Such cute packaging. So first I'm going to go in with soft and sweet eyeshadow, which is this. And now I'm going to go in with Hot Tamale. So what I'm going to do is, on my lower lash line also I'm going to apply Hot Tamale. And on my inner corner, I'm going to apply this eyeshadow. It's called Drizzle It, which is this. Okay guys, so I'm going to use, I don't have any new kohl or eyeliner, so I'm going to use my old kajal and eyeliner only. And it's a very simple look, itne sare colors hai, but I just wanted to try it out ki formula kaisa hai. So for my eyeliner, I'm using Sugar's I Want You So eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. And for my waterline, I'm going to apply my Milani's Stay Put waterproof eyeliner in this shade Linked on Black. So now let's apply mascara. And today I am using L'Oreal's Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Okay, so it nicely defines my lashes, it separates them beautifully. Okay, so for this mascara, at least you have to build up 3 coats. But the good thing is, even after building up 3 coats, it's not at all looking clumpy and it's not even feeling heavy. So I'm done with my eye makeup guys, and I did apply PAC's false eyelashes in number 53. And now let's move on to lips. So I have this Anastasia liquid lipstick set, and this one is called, okay, I don't know what is this called, it's just a liquid lipstick set, and you get 3 liquid lipsticks, like mini liquid lipsticks. I love Anastasia's liquid lipsticks formula. So I know that I have used this shade in the past, so I'm not going to use this color. It's a nice brownie nude color. मैं इन दोनों में confused हूँ. This one is called Dazed and this one is called Bittersweet. I'm confused. इनमें से कौन सा तो भी एक शेड मैंने use किया है पहले, but I can't remember. But you know what? this lipstick which is called Dazed. It will look really nice with this eye makeup. So yeah, I'm going to go in with Dazed. And now I'm going to set my makeup with Urban Decay's All Nighter Ultra Matte Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is the outer packaging and the actual bottle looks like this. I've heard such good things about this spray, guys. Like, I love Skindinavia's the makeup finishing spray. It's a really nice spray and your makeup will last for a really long time and your makeup also looks very good. So I'm really excited to try this today. So this is the final look, guys, and I really loved the way this look turned out. Initially, I wasn't very sure. I was just going with the flow. I was like, let's see what happens. पहले मुझे लग रहा था इतना अच्छा ये look turn out नहीं होने वाला है, पर जैसे ही मैंने false eyelashes apply किए, ये lipstick apply किया, I am loving this look, and it's a very simple makeup look. लेकिन actually ये makeup look कोई भी कर सकता है. And also I'm loving my foundation now. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से settle हो गया है. Initially बहुत warm लग रहा था, लेकिन अभी इतना warm नहीं लग रहा है. Everything has come together very nicely. Let me know in the comment section below आपको कैसा लगा ये look. So yeah, this video comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. And I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.